Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream. Just admit that you're just afraid. Let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Then we can live a better day. From the here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream.
So guys, it's ready. Let me bring out the turkey so you can see the outcome, guys. Okay? All right. So let's get it out. Oh my God, it's really hot. So I'm an African woman. Let me prove that I'm an African woman. Okay. So This one, past African woman, no more hot. I was trying to show myself, and then it reminded me that fire doesn't know African women. Oh my! Oh God! Ah, this one is damn hot. Oh, hot. Really hot. Okay. Here you go, guys. Here you go. Let me turn off the oven. So I grilled this for about 1 hour because it's big, it needs time to like grill so it can go inside properly. So you don't end up with a half cooked or a half baked or grilled turkey. So let's unveil the turkey. All right. It looks juicy. It looks juicy. It looks perfect, guys. Like, perfect. It looks perfect, guys. What I usually do, I'll let this sit for about 1 hour before I serve, so that everything can really penetrate properly. But before I do that, I'll just scoop some of this juice and make sure I sprinkle it again on the body, right? Just sprinkle it on the body. See? Okay, it's really coming out really, really good, guys. Okay, and then I'm not going to start eating immediately. I'll just let it sit, for some time. Then you get the best results. Okay, so our Christmas turkey is ready to be enjoyed, guys. Okay, so this is it. Hey! So it's already, guys. Our turkey is perfectly ready. Okay, we're going to let it rest for like 1 hour before we start enjoying and munching on the turkey. Thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.